Hello and welcome. I'm here in Blender and I'm going to show you a problem that a lot of beginners encounter, myself included, and basically it's when you're zooming in with your mouse wheel and you keep on zooming in and you keep on zooming in, and at a certain point you find I can't actually zoom in anymore. And what's kind of worse about this problem is also if you hold down shift and you try and move left to right or up and down, you find that the camera won't move left to right or up or down either. You can still rotate your view. You can't move up, down, left, right, and you can't zoom in. And this is like really confusing. And you might be tempted to restart Blender and open the project again, and you'll find that that won't help. You might also be tempted to create a new window like this, and you'll find that that doesn't help either. So I'll just close that one. Okay, so yeah, you can reopen the project, that won't help. You can open a new window, that won't help. It's very confusing, and if you sort of search online, you might not know exactly what to search for. But the solution is actually super simple. All you need to do is hold down Alt and middle mouse on your object of interest. Maybe you can hear my mouse wheel furiously scrolling, but you'll see now that basically everything is back to normal. I can zoom in and out, I can do what I want, I can hold down shift and move my camera like this, and everything is back to normal. So basically when you get yourself into that situation where you can't zoom any further, all you need to do is select an object of interest, Alt middle mouse, or if you're on Mac, Option middle mouse, and that will solve the problem. And honestly, I spent hours when I was a beginner searching for the solution to this, and it's so simple once you know the answer. So I hope this helps someone, hope it saves you some time.